Well everyone, iOS 26.6.1 has officially came out, so let's go and see how it holds up on the iPhone 14. Now the big thing to keep in mind here is that within this update, it did bring a lot of cool improvements, lots of cool bug fixes and things like that, which is very, very important. But I will tell you for the most part, when you are going through and kind of installing this update within something like an iPhone 14, there are still lots of things that need to be fixed here. So there were lots of bug fixes that Apple kind of pushed out here, which was a really cool thing too. So this in and of itself was a really important thing, and there were lots of bug fixes inside of this update. Now the size of it was a couple hundred megabytes coming from the previous generation, so that right there is also another one of those key things to remember here too. But when I take a look at something like these updates, I get very, very happy and excited because once again, Apple did a pretty good job at this update. So for the most part, if you're rocking this update, I still think it's a great update for the most part. I would highly recommend installing it on your iPhone 14. It's not necessarily perfect, but it does bring a lot of cool improvements there nonetheless. And I do think at the end of the day, that's another really important thing there too. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.